Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you, and I hope you all are safe. So I'm here again to teach you SST online classes standard 3 and chapter 5 weather, seasons and climate. So in last videos I had taught you and I had given much more information about that what is weather, what is seasons, how many types of seasons are there. Then spring I have explained, summer I have explained. Then in fact I have given told you that did you know also it's very important. So did you know what it's written that days are longer? Why days are longer in the summer seasons? So the answer is the days are longer in the summer seasons because the sun climbs very high in the sky. So it takes lots of time, so that's why in the evening it takes longer for the sun to deep down. And in winter time the sun is what it rises in the lower in the sky, so that's why this makes the days very shorter. So in summer what the days are long and nights are short, and then winter it's gone opposite, like the days are very short and the night are very long. Next season is what? Monsoon. Monsoon we can also call monsoon seasons or rainy season. So just just go through this topic. If you have the book, please open and put a pencil in your hand. So whatever I will told you to underline, that you should underline because it's for general knowledge. And once the online class will finish, you just go through the book and then you can underline or you can learn also. So let's go through the chapter. I am reading, you also read with me. The summer season is followed by the rainy or monsoon season. So after the summer seasons is what the monsoon is following the summer season. So after the summer seasons, the monsoon seasons came in India. The monsoon season we can call also rainy season. During these seasons, cool winds blow from the sea and brings rain. Now during these seasons, and it means like that during monsoon seasons, what the cool winds blows from the seas and oceans, and it brings what? It brings rain. Dark clouds gathered in the sky. So dark clouds what? It's just when the oceans sees what it goes up, and then what? The dark clouds, it's what? It's gathered in the sky. Rains helps farmers, and then lightning and thunder are followed by rains, and then after lightning and thunder are there, then what? The rains came. In fact the rain helps farmer also to grow their crops, and in fact the wells, rivers and ponds also fills up once again when in summer season it's just became dry. After the summer vacation the rainy season came, so these all wells, rivers and ponds it just filled up with the rain water once again. Flood occur in some places because that if too much rainy season is there, so if too much water is also very dangerous, and that place what the flood is also occurred where the too much rains are there. Next is, what do you like to do when it rains? So suppose let's imagine that it's a raining outside. So on that time what do you like to do? So that you just think. So no need to write down in copy, it's just for thinking, you can think. So whenever the school will open I will ask to you that what do you like to do when it rains. Next season is, and the next season is autumn. So what? After the rainy season the autumn seasons came. See here it's written, the rainy season is followed by the short season of autumn. So the rainy season is followed after the short season because rainy season is very short. Then after the autumn came. The weather begins to cool down. Leaves change color to gold and fall from the trees. So in autumn seasons what? The weather are very cool, and in these seasons the leaves what? It can change their colors green to gold, and then after it means what? The green leaves it changes into dry leaves, and then what? It falls down, and then again the spring season will come, then again the new plants will grow, the new leaves will grow. So in autumn season is what? The all leaves, green leaves, it changes into golden color, it means dry leaves, and then it falls from the sorry, it falls from the trees. This is also a time for festivals in most part of India. So in autumn season is what? This is also a time of festivals in most part of the India. Like in West Bengal, Durga Puja is celebrated, while in the northern India, Dasara is celebrated with great pomp. So like see, like in autumn season is what? Like in most of the part of India, in West Bengal, Durga Puja is very famous. So Durga Puja is celebrated in autumn seasons, and while the another part of the northern India, the Dashara is also celebrated with great pomp. Great pomp means with great display. So next page is page number 28. Your last season is winter, because I have explained the winter, spring, then spring after summer, summer after monsoon, monsoon after autumn, and your last season is winter. So just go through the winter. Winter is what? After the autumn comes winter. It brings around the middle of November and continue till February. It comes what? Underline that. It comes in the middle of mid part of the November and continues till February. So it comes from November to February. Here is what? The days are short. Just now I have told you, and did you know? The days are what? The days are short and the weather is very cold. People wear warm clothes and use heaters to stay warm. So in these seasons, the people what? People wear the warm clothes and they use the heater so that they will stay warm. They eat hot food because that's the cold season, so that's why they want to eat hot. So they enjoy the hot food, drinks such as soups, tea and coffee. In some part of India, there is snowfall in the hills and mountains, because hills and mountain it's all covered with rain. So that's why if winter season is there, that time the snow is also fall. In fact, the Christmas and New Year is also celebrated in winter. So Christmas we are celebrating on 25th December and New Year we are celebrating in every starting of the first day year. So 1st January. So this is also celebrated in winter season. Now, which hot drinks do you like to drink in winter season? So what's that hot drink name? You just write down here so that I will know that yes, this your favorite that you likes to drink in winter season. Next is what? Climate. Next topic is climate. So climate is what? The term climate refers the weather condition that a place has over a long period of time covering several years. So climate is what? If the weather condition it has what? It has a long of period time which is what? Which covering the several years. For instance, for that places in the mountains have a cool climate, while the places in the plains have a very hot climate. Like suppose the place of the mountain areas, the hilly areas, the area is very cold, and while in the another side of the places in the northern, in the plains, which is very hot climate. So what? The weather of a place may change often, but the climate does not change so fast. So what? The weather it can change by means at time or one day, but what? But climate is what? It does not change so fast. So the climate is what? The climate of the place where we live affect many things. So climate is what? It affects our lots of things in our daily life. Like it affects the food that we eat, the clothes we wear, and the types of houses that we live. So these all is changes when the climate has changed, and it affects these all daily lives. So your chapter has completed, and I hope that you guys had understood the chapter. So the previous chapter till 4, if you have completed all things, question answer, word meaning, these all in your fair copy, and you go through the chapter 5 new words. Today you can write down the new words. Here is only 4 new words that you should write down in your fair copy. The exercise that I will give and I will upload on the Hotfort link. So you go there and you can check your homework. Thank you. Don't go outside. Please stay at home. enjoy online classes, and you can read the book also once the online class is over. Thank you and have a nice day.